Okay, so this is low-key a mic test. I recently got the mic mini and I think it's just gonna help with the vlog content, but I wanna see how it performs in the wind tunnel because we're gonna wash Mach today. It's literally been raining every single day for the past couple of weeks and Mach is in need of a bath. Luckily, it's not that bad on camera. Like, he actually looks pretty clean from here, but let me tell you, this boy is dirty. I'm just gonna use some black magic to clean and prep the wheels. Not gonna leave this on for too long, just like a quick spray before I do a pre-rinse. I guess I don't have to really be like yelling at the camera anymore. And then this on the wheels and tires. Okay, and now we rinse. All right, you guys, and that's how you wash your car. Please like and subscribe. Follow me for more car washing tips, and thank you. I can't even lie to you. Oh, shit. I'm just kidding. That was like step one. All right, and now we soap. Test shot, always. Did we get a thumbnail before or after, do you think? Please don't kill me. Got another rinse. Ow, that hurts. It's like needles. Okay. So the first rinse really just like rinses off all of the loose dirt, and then we foam cannon. The first foam cannon with soap picks up the second layer of dirt, and we're just rinsing that off now, and then we'll foam cannon again and go in with some sponges to make sure we get all of the dirt off. You guys like my nails? As always, start at the top and work your way to the bottom. Gravity. And now we're gonna go in a second time with the foam cannon, and then we'll actually wash the car. There are bees flying around like crazy, and I don't appreciate it. Okay, I'm gonna let you do it this time. Oh no, ran out of room here, hold on. Getting our steps in, huh? All right, that's enough. Okay, my hair is currently overstimulating me. Okay, we're just gonna knock this out super quick because I am messing around. You wanna minimize the amount of time you have soap on the car as much as possible. Ow! It's a little slippery. Careful up there. So nice. I love having a clean car. Literally makes everything better. I think I did that already. Okay, now let's do another rinse. Oh. It's like I'm missing something, I know it. Yeah? Yeah. The first time wasn't that serious, but this time you really want to make sure you get all of the soap off of the car. If you want, just park your car here and we'll do it next. That ceramic coating is gorgeous. Just watch the water fly off the car. All right, your turn is over. You're taking too long. Let me just do it. What in the hell is that? It looks like there's a big ass hole in my skid plate. Excuse me? What is that? And when did this happen? That is new. We're gonna look at that later. Don't let me forget. Oh! That was so rude. Right in the face. Okay, rinse is done. Let's test out the magnet here. I was cold, so it's hoodie time. I also feel much better covered up. But now we're just gonna dry. Put in my headphones for this, so we're just gonna listen to some music and push all of the water off the car. The neighbors must be having a party because there are hella hose up there. Everything got a little wet, but that's okay. I don't want to put it on the ground. It touched the ground. Oh my God, the whole thing's going down. Hey. All right, so you just want to push the water down off the car, like so. Okay, and that's it. Just a nice, simple, quick bath. It does not have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be like a 10, 15 step routine. It's like skincare. It's like your diet. Just have some simple, good products and you'll have a perfectly clean car. So for the soap, I just used the Chemical Guys Super Foam Honey Melon something soap, and I've been using it for years and it works great. And then just, yeah, soap, water, blow dry it. The ceramic coating honestly does do a huge part in it. Mach looks great. Now he's all nice and clean for our Sunday stream tomorrow. But I really just feel like the best going out and about in a clean car. I feel better when Mach is clean for our live stream. So yeah, it feels really good to have a nice clean car. I actually really like this mic. I watched some of the footage back and it sounds super crisp. But it's 5:30. I'm starving. So we're gonna go get some Chipotle in our clean car. Sorry, we didn't have time to wash your car, but we can next time. Maybe I'll vlog Chipotle because I hear that they give you better portions when you have a video camera going. Ooh, should I test out the mic on the exhaust? Let's do it. Okay, so I have the mic clipped on the thing here and we're just gonna set her down here. senior US Open is in like a couple of weeks, they are going to hate me and Mach. We are so loud and obnoxious. Okay, we made it to Chipotle. I got my mic on, so I'm excited to see how it does in public places. Could have parked better, but that's okay. Okay, rolling up to Chipotle. Oh my God, I love Chipotle. Music's kind of a vibe in here. Hell yeah. If only they had margaritas. 3 tacos, soft, white rice, steak, mild, and then guac and cheese. Beautiful, yes. I love using a credit card without my name on it. Okay, yummy. I don't know why. I kind of feel like I'm forgetting something, but I'll be interested to see how the mic did in there because it's loud, you know? I shouldn't have parked where I parked. Nope. Perfect timing. Oh no, I'm the one way on the yellow line. You did great. That was so sweet. She said I tried. How sweet. I'm like, no lady, I'm the one who parked like a dipshit. So sweet though. And now we race home. Mach, you could start up a little better when it went on camera. You embarrass me. Excuse you. Oh my God, I totally forgot. I think my lens is turning. I forgot to look at this thing on the bottom of my car. Oh. Oh, damn. Ouch. It's like a fistful. I wonder what happened. Oh well. I just pulled out of the garage and water dripped off of the garage onto my car. Just a couple of water spots. Okay, so I realized I completely forgot to film an ending to this video, so I'm happy we're doing it now. Right now I'm actually heading out. I'm gonna go first have a beer with the girls that I go to the gym with, and then after I'll be live streaming, so I'll be hopping on live at around 8 p.m. Those videos you can watch unedited, full version. I need to add chapters to them, I think, because they're pretty long. They're like over an hour, but you can watch the live streams under my lives tab on my YouTube page because they're no longer posted as like normal YouTube videos. I'm just keeping like the full raw live stream at driving Mach. So we're doing a POV drive tonight. I'm really excited. Here's the fit. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I love you. Goodbye.